Hi, I'm Dr. Brian Sizdek. I'm the product manager for psychology at Stolting, a publisher of psychological assessments. I'm here to give you some information about the sensory assessment for neurodevelopmental disorders, SAND. We're going to go over assembly and preparing your kit to assess. The first thing that you'll get is the manipulative kit. It should come in a carton. Once you've taken the bag out of the carton, then most of the materials will be on the main bag. There will be some products that could be in the front depending on how things are packed, such as the manual. But mostly, if you will open up the main bag, you will find the kit that is in a clear plastic bin. This is used for presenting the items and also for storage. To prepare your kit, you're going to want to have a small Phillips head screwdriver and a utility knife, box cutter, or scissors. The first thing you'll do is need to unpackage all the materials. That's pretty straightforward. You'll just go through and take items out of the plastic wrapper, and you can dispose of the plastic wrappers. Opening the box was a little tricky, I thought. You don't want to open the handles upwards. Instead, the handles will open downwards on both sides, like this. Once that's done, you can take the top off. The handles are able to be reattached if they do come off for whatever reason. One item that was a little tricky to unpackage is the school bus. So the school bus is going to have it's going to come in an outside box, and then the inside box will have a plastic that holds the bus together. You can go ahead and pull that out from the cardboard or use your box cutter to cut that out, being careful. And then finally, the bus is attached with a screwdriver. So this is the time that you'll want to use your Phillips head screwdriver. You just need to insert and unscrew the bus. It will come apart, and then you can dispose of that packaging. Then your bus is prepared. Here's what we're going for at the end. The items should come in two pieces. One in this plastic case with the spinner compressed, and then this plastic straw. It's easiest if you just leave it within the case. Just insert the plastic straw, and you can open. If there's some tape, it can be cut. If it does come apart, you can reinsert at the bottom and then put your plastic in. Some of the SAND items require battery assembly. The batteries are not included so as not to drain the batteries. However, you will receive all the batteries you need in the SAND kit, AA's and AAA's. For this process, you'll need your utility knife or scissors, your small Phillips head screwdriver. The items that require batteries are the moving toy dog, the buzzers, the spinning flashlight, and the flashlight. Let's start with the moving dog. The moving dog's included in this box. There will be two rubber wires that are holding the dog together. You can cut those, pull the dog out. There'll be a screw on the bottom that you'll need to unscrew. It takes two AA batteries. Insert those. Be sure to reattach the screw. I recommend working over a flat workspace so that if the screw falls out, you can easily find it. Once the batteries have been inserted, as these already have been, the way you can turn on the dog is there's a switch on the bottom. So you can turn that on during administration. You can also remove the tag from the dog. The buzzers that you need will be blue and green. Now, due to the way that the items are shipped, one of these is going to have a tag that's stopping the batteries from being activated. It could be blue, it could be green. So you'll need to remove that tag from one of them, at which point you'll be able to use that buzzer. You'll need to install batteries in the other buzzer. So using your screwdriver, you'll remove the screw, insert the 2 AA batteries, and that buzzer should be ready to go. The spinning LED light just requires you to pull off the back. You'll insert 3 AAA batteries following the pictures, as with all the battery insertions. Once you've installed those, then the should be operable. For the flashlight, you will just unscrew the bottom. Once you've unscrewed it, you can remove the battery pack case. It takes 3 AAA batteries. The drawings should show you how to insert them. Insert into the flashlight, re-screw in, and your flashlight will be ready. So that concludes the assembly instructions for the battery. And now your sand kit should be ready to administer. Of course, follow the directions in the manual. Be sure to practice administering the sand. One thing to note, these are not toys. These are manipulatives for an assessment, so they should be used only under qualified clinician supervision. If you have any questions, please contact us at Stolting. We're happy to help. We can be reached at psychtests@stoltingco.com. You can find our website, www.stoltingco.com. /sand for a lot of these instructions and more information on the sand. Thank you. Please let us know if you have any questions.